Beyond the gates in my Jesus likeness, and forevermore we shall live on. Oh, I want to meet all ye Christian brothers, and I'll look for you when that morn shall dawn. Beyond the gates, beyond the sunset, new life immortal for us waits, and we'll be at home on life's fair morning. Beyond the